holding his hand. Here, Pumpkin. Put your... All right. Wave to Daddy. Look up there and wave to Dad.
Say hi.
Here. Here, chew this up. Come here. Miles. Miles. Oh. Here. Can you eat this? Chew it up. Yeah, that was a baby aspirin. Here, take a drink. Ooh, hot water. Go ride your tricycle for Dad. Go ride your tricycle. Go play Evel Knievel. Get on your tricycle. Come on, let's ride your tricycle. Come here. Get on this tricycle. Come here. Miles. Get on your tricycle. Come on, turn the light out. Turn the light out. Come on. Good boy. Come here, let's ride your trike. Miles. I am going to get you. Quit playing with the lights. Get down here and ride it. Go, go, go. Gonna ride into the bathroom.
Show us your monster walk. Turn on some lights around here. Hey Miles, show us your monster walk.
Can you do your monster walk? Walk like a monster.
Come on. Show us your monster walk.
Can you walk like a... You cannot walk. Come on, walk like a monster. That's walking like a little boy. No,
Hey,
no,
don't touch those. Don't be a little monster, walk like one.
Walk like a monster. There he goes. Walk like a monster. Come on. You little pride.
Is it time to go to bed? Hey Miles, you ready to go to bed? Are you ready to go to bed?
Flower, pretty flower.
Miles.
Are you ready to go to bed? That's right. Are you ready to go to bed? Go get your blanket. Let's go to bed. Go get your blankie. Let's go to bed. Are you ready to go to bed?
Good night, Miles.
Are you ready to go to bed? Can you blow Daddy a night-night kiss?
Give me a kiss.
Give Daddy a kiss.
Give me a kiss.
Can you blow a kiss to the camera?
Bye.
Blow a kiss to the camera.
Oh.
Say night-night. Say night-night. We're
Good
going to go
night.
to bed.
Good night, everybody.
We're take our trike with us.
Okay. See ya.
Night, night. Wait.
Good night.